Carlisle's my #1 supplier. They're gonna do every house that I get a say in what my floors are. They're so passionate about their floors that it touched me, and I won't ever go back. I think the floor makes the home. If we're building homes now and we're really trying to use products that bring in a feel of nature, the flooring makes probably the biggest impact. We're seeing that this floor and the color of this floor mean so much to the way the house is overall going to feel. If you can think about what color you want your floor, then take a visit up to Carlisle. They'll invite you in. They'll sit there and they'll work with you, your design team, and they'll come up with a color schematic on a floor that's custom just to you. How many finishes do you think that is? Hundreds? Well, maybe it's not even countable. But the good thing about Carlisle is if you did need to refinish this floor, you can, right? And that's what's so great about a Carlisle floor, is if you need to come in and take the finish down and put a new finish on it, you can bank on Carlisle's gonna wanna help you to do that and be an advisor to you. This floor with a beveled edge in this particular house knocked it out of the park. Nothing looks like a real hardwood floor. Carlisle, it's in their name. It's Carlisle wide plank. I mean, this is a company that believes in a high level, high quality wood product on a floor. Carlisle is a partner. They understand that, hey, I'm gonna help them, they're gonna help me. Let's go down this path together and let's do something extraordinary. And Carlisle's done that for me. They are on site, here to help, and I don't know that I've ever felt like somebody cares as much as they do. Carlisle will take as good of care of anybody I'm doing business with. They know what my attention to detail is, and they're gonna make that a priority to them, which sets a level of trust with me that I don't ever have to worry. When you deal with a manufacturer that is as passionate about delivering the finest quality that they can, I don't know that you can overlook that. You'll see the passion that every craftsman that works for them has for their flooring products. If you want an exceptional floor, well, then you're gonna go to a company like Carlisle and you're gonna buy an exceptional floor. What makes it exceptional? Well, the people make it exceptional. Just like for me, if you're gonna build a house, you're gonna hire me. Why? Because I'm passionate about what I'm doing. And if you're gonna hire me because I'm passionate about it, then why do you want me to use artisans that aren't passionate about what they're doing, or manufacturers that aren't passionate about their craft? That's called service, that's called trust, that's called passion. And that's why I use Carlisle.